Good morning! Look who finally arrived!
Good morning, Aunt Chloe. I am here.
You look very excited already.
I could not wait to come here.
Did you have a good trip?
Yes, it was fun and short.
Did you bring your backpack with you?
Yes, I packed my favorite things. What did you bring exactly? I brought my toys and a book.
That sounds like a good choice.
I also brought my homework.
That is very responsible of you.
My mom told me to bring it.
That still counts.
Can we play later?
Yes, after breakfast.
I am very hungry.
Perfect timing then.
I like breakfast at your house.
What would you like for breakfast?
I want toast and eggs, please. That is an easy request. I do not like complicated food.
Simple food is often the best.
Do you eat breakfast every day?
Yes, it helps me feel ready.
My dad sometimes skips breakfast.
That happens to many adults.
I feel tired without breakfast.
Your body needs energy.
School days are long.
They really are.
Do you work today? Today I am staying with you. That is the best news.
I thought you would like that.
Can we do many things today? We have the whole day. That sounds amazing.
Can you help me clear the table?
Yes, I can help you.
Thank you. That is very helpful.
I like helping adults.
It makes you feel grown up?
Yes, it really does. Which plate should you take? I will take the small one.
That is a smart choice.
I do not want to drop it.
That is very careful.
Do you clean every day?
A little bit every day.
My room gets messy quickly.
That happens to everyone.
I will clean my room tonight.
That is a good plan.
Can you remind me later?
I will remind you gently. Thank you, Aunt Chloe.
Can I show you what I am playing with?
Yes, show me everything you have.
I built this with my blocks.
Wow, that looks really tall.
It is a tower for my cars.
I like how you use different colors.
I wanted it to look fun.
It looks very fun and creative.
Do you want to play with me?
Yes, I would love to play.
You can move the cars here.
Okay, I will move this one.
That car is very fast.
I can see it racing already.
Let us make a big road together.
That sounds like a great idea.
Playing together is more fun.
It really is much better together.
I like when you play with me.
I like playing with you too. Are you hungry again already?
Yes, playing makes me hungry.
What snack would you like?
I would like some fruit. That is a healthy choice. My teacher likes healthy snacks.
Your teacher sounds nice.
She is very kind.
Do you like school?
Most days, yes.
What do you like most?
I like art and stories.
Those are creative subjects.
I like using my imagination.
Imagination is very important.
Adults forget that sometimes.
You are absolutely right.
I like talking with you.
I like talking with you too.
Today is a good day.
Are you ready to become my cooking helper today?
Yes, I have been ready since this morning.
All right then. What should we cook together?
I think pasta would be perfect for lunch.
Pasta sounds like a delicious idea.
It is easy to make and everyone likes it.
Do you cook like this at home too?
Only when my mum trusts me enough.
And what is your special job in the kitchen?
I am very good at washing vegetables carefully.
That is a very important kitchen job.
I feel like a real chef when I help.
You are doing a great job already.
Cooking together is way more fun.
It always makes the food taste better too.
I think food knows when we are happy.
Just remember to be careful around the table.
I will be super careful, I promise.
Thank you for listening so well.
I like learning things with you.
So, how does the pasta taste? It tastes really, really good. I am very glad you like it.
Food always tastes better at your house.
That makes me very happy to hear.
Do you always eat lunch this slowly? I try to enjoy every bite.
I eat much faster at school. School lunches are usually very rushed.
Yes, we do not have much time.
Do you talk with your friends at lunch?
Yes, we talk about games and cartoons.
That sounds like a lot of fun.
What did you like when you were in school?
I really liked reading and drawing.
I like drawing too, just like you.
You clearly have very good taste.
Can we draw together later?
Yes, after we rest for a bit.
I really like that plan.
So, what would you like to draw today?
I want to draw a cool robot.
That sounds very creative already.
My robot can help people every day.
I really like helpful robots.
What are you going to draw? I think I will draw a house.
Why do you want to draw a house? Because a house feels safe and cozy.
I like places that feel safe too.
Everyone needs a place like that.
Your drawing looks really nice.
Thank you. Yours looks great too.
I really like spending time with you.
I like spending time with you too.
This day feels very long.
Long days can be very good days.
I do not want it to end.
We still have plenty of time.
That makes me really happy.
Do you enjoy walking outside like this?
Yes, it feels calm, but also really nice.
What do you like most about these walks?
I like looking at houses and tall trees.
That is a lovely thing to notice.
Some houses look very different from each other.
Every house probably has its own story.
I always wonder who lives inside them.
That means you have a great imagination.
Walking makes my brain think more.
It helps our minds slow down a little.
I feel peaceful right now.
I feel peaceful too.
I really like quiet moments like this.
Quiet moments are very important.
They make me feel safe.
I am really glad you feel safe here.
Being with you helps a lot.
That makes me very happy to hear. This walk is really nice. How does dinner taste tonight?
It tastes really good.
I am glad you enjoy it.
I like eating together.
Me too, it feels warm.
We talk a lot today.
Talking helps us understand each other.
I like when you listen.
I always want to listen to you.
Sometimes adults are busy.
I try to make time.
That makes me feel important.
You are very important. I will remember that.
Please do.
Today was a good day. It really was.
I wish every day felt like this.
We can try our best.
That is good enough. Are you feeling sleepy now? Yes, my eyes feel heavy.
That means it is bedtime.
I had a busy day.
You did many things today.
I played and learned.
That is a perfect day.
Can we do this again?
Of course. Another day.
I like spending time with you.
I like spending time with you too.
Thank you for today.
You are very welcome.
I will sleep well.
Sleep helps you grow.
I want to grow strong. Sweet dreams tonight. Good night, Aunt Chloe.